Hey there, this is Christine Collins. So I'm going to give you a little bit of insight around how to most effectively use your hypnosis audio and give you a few little tips and tricks and some commonly asked questions that do tend to come up when someone is new to hypnosis. So the first thing to mention is that there's really no wrong way to use your hypnosis audio. The only two things that I very strongly recommend is that number one, you ensure that you're in a safe space. And that includes kind of checking out your surroundings, making sure you haven't left the stove on, for example, or candle burning. Essentially, you want to treat it as though you're taking a nap, because there is a chance that you might doze off, especially if you're very tired, and that's not unusual at all. And so you just want to ensure that your environment feels safe and that you can safely close your eyes, and certainly that you're not doing an activity like driving or something that requires your full attention. It's also recommended that you ensure that you have enough time to listen to the entire audio, because it is designed in a very specific way to guide you on a journey, and then at the end of that journey there is a count out that will help you to get back to a state of full awareness where you are back to being fully awake and then can continue on with your day or with whatever you have happening next. So barring those two things, you can now use your hypnosis in various different ways, different times of day, different types of hypnosis. Now, personally, I like to listen in the morning. I know that that doesn't work for everybody, so you can listen in the morning, you can listen before bed, and you can use it in the middle of the day as well. The reason why I like morning hypnosis is because it kind of sets a tone for the rest of your day that you're going into. It can help lift your vibration, particularly if you've woken up from a distressing night. Sometimes we have bad dreams. It can kind of help to reset the vibration that you're carrying into your day. There are other moments where you can capitalize on this magical tool. So if you're using it in the middle of the day, I love to do that for kind of a midday snack, like a little treat, particularly if something has gone wonky in the day, the vibes are off, things didn't start off perfectly, something has come up, you're feeling grumpy, whatever it is that's going on for you. Having this as a little midday mindset tool will really boost your vibe and help you to get through the rest of your day with a better outlook. And using it at night is also perfectly fine. A lot of people love using hypnosis before bedtime in particular because it does relax you deeply. Many people doze off, and I just want to say that's perfectly okay. A lot of us fall asleep during hypnosis, and there's nothing to be concerned with there. You'll still receive all of the messages at that subconscious level, so you don't have to feel as though you're missing out on something. If you do doze off and feel like you're not physically hearing the messages, they're still getting in there and you're still receiving the benefit. All of the hypnosis audios that I create are designed to be less than 20 minutes so that it's easier for you to fit it into your day. I also highly recommend putting it on your calendar or making it a regular part of your routine. Wherever it is that it's going to fit in for you, schedule it just like you would a little appointment for yourself, because that will make it easier for you to remember to use it and to use it consistently. You can also switch around between different hypnosis audios. So if you have an important focus for yourself right now, let's say you're starting a new project and coming up with ideas is really important to you, or finishing something is really important to you, then I would recommend selecting an audio related to that and using that one more consistently for a period of time. You can start out using it every day and then kind of drop it down to as needed. There's nothing wrong with listening every day. And then you can also switch around to different audios. So the way that I kind of like to operate now is I select an audio that's relevant to whatever I'm experiencing in that moment. You get to customize your experience and choose and select whichever audio is most needed in the moment. And you may find that your relationship with hypnosis evolves over time, and you will kind of figure out the right routine, the right formula that works perfectly for you, and that's okay. You can customize the usage of it for yourself and what works best. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I am very excited to see what kind of magic unfolds for you.